Here we are again at the Luggage Museum, the former Bank of France in Agno, where a new museography revolves around the fabulous collection of the Roland couple. 200 pieces of luggage of all kinds that will make us travel, which is obviously the purpose of luggage. Dream of the past, dream of the future, dream in general. And I invite you very soon to come and discover this superb work of transforming the premises, but above all the exhibition for this truly remarkable collection.
This new exhibition aims to be the sum of all previous ones and to return to an original spirit, that of an Alibaba's cave, quite fantastic, where accumulations of luggage treasures are organized according to themes that make us think of travel, our history, the development of means of transportation, and discover with delight how, at a certain time, the art of luggage was personalized to transport objects that might seem unusual to us today. I think we've all had the personal experience of discovering an old, somewhat forgotten trunk in an attic, and the first thought you have when opening this trunk is to wonder if there might be a treasure inside. Generally, there are only old papers and forgotten memories, but the initial idea is to think that by opening this trunk, we will actually have a connection with our past and imagine the steamship voyages, the arrival of the train, and the first seaside resorts. In fact, indeed, all the art of living that was associated with this world of luggage. And the Luggage Museum is an opening into this imagination, into our history that we offer you today.
The role of scenography is to highlight and illuminate the exhibited objects. The main idea, in fact, is really to make visitors want to discover the secrets of the exhibited objects.
And above all, to impart knowledge. That's what motivates us. The visitor's path has been completely redesigned for this exhibition. It has been structured as a circuit with an entrance and an exit. Using a circuit also allows us to maximize the exhibition.
The collection itself is exceptional, and the idea we wanted to highlight was to bring a truly contemporary, dynamic scenography with two colors, blue and yellow, which actually evoke the sea, the sun, and the world of travel.
Then there is also a small guiding thread, from a formal point of view, in the scenography, which is this corner of the trunk, which is such a typical element of the trunk, that we wanted to keep, preserve, and adapt.
And then there's the aspect of wood, actually. It's the material we perhaps love working with the most, as it always gives a very warm feel to the exhibition spaces.
So we have collected for 15 years pieces that tell the evolution of luggage according to modes of transportation and fashion. That is to say, we will discover that the trunk maker was very ingenious and evolved the trunk to protect belongings for travel, and thus be able to afford to travel to many different and exciting places for vacation and leisure activities. And back then, when people traveled, they went on very long trips. For example, a Paris-Bordeaux trip would take 18 days. So just for the round trip, staying there and coming back, people would be gone for months. This means that a family with 2 children, 2 parents and 2 children would travel with about 50 pieces of luggage, all their belongings inside. We became truly passionate about luggage because it makes you travel and tells a story. And being able to truly share it with others was really about indeed telling a little bit of our passion and sharing it. So it's very, very pleasant to be able to show all these old pieces of luggage that tell stories,